Okay, today we have a 2007 Volkswagen Passat, and we are going to do an ECU replacement on this. They've had some error codes that won't go away, so our ECU is hidden right underneath there, and we're going to take it out and do a data transfer, and we'll show you how to do that. We're going to go ahead, take it out of the car, put it on the bench, use a Britus, and transfer data. Okay, we have our original ECU from the car, and this is an MED 9.1. And then we have a replacement, which is an MED 9.1, and everything's the same. It's an 03H906 632C. This is for a 3.6 liter V6, which is actually different than the 4-cylinder. Those have a different, it's an MED 9.1, but it's a different ECU. We have the ever famous, a British USA ECU test cable, which is actually something I made up, but hey, let's go with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to fire up a Britus, and I'll show you once we've hooked this up how to do it. Okay, so you can see right now it is reading this. Right now it's searching for the power class, and just to give you a heads up, I hooked this up, and then it said, you know, we need 10 minutes to be able to do this. And I'll tell you right now, after 10 minutes, it was not able to connect. So what I ended up doing, I actually shut off the computer and just let the thing sit. And it actually, I let it sit about 20 minutes, and then I was able to log in, get security access, and do all of that. So just, you know, don't try and rush this, because trust me, if you do the 10 minutes and then you come back, do the 10 minutes again, and it doesn't work, you're going to get frustrated. So the best thing you can do, plug it in, shut off the computer, power up the ECU, walk away for a little bit. I mean, if you can, take the darn thing home, throw it on the bench, and fire it up. Let it run for a few hours. Just give it power. That's what it needs. Okay, so just so you know, we have that data. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to put the used ECU up here, and we're going to get the data from that. Okay, we have the old ECU out of the car. We've read the data. Just kind of wanted to show people a quick and easy way to be able to save the data. See where it says ask me anything? Type in snip, and there's what's called the snipping tool. Click on new, and what you're going to do is you're going to hold the left mouse button, you're going to move the cursor down to the bottom, and then let off. And what it does is it takes a screenshot, and you can save it, you can do whatever you want with it. Me, I usually just move it over to the side so I have that data when I'm trying to put it into the new one. Okay, so now we have our used ECU that has different data on it, and what we're going to do is we're going to try and update this. Now it says CS pin set OK, make ignition off for 5 seconds, then on again. So we're going to pull the power, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to plug the power back in. Click OK. And what it will do, it will go in there, it will connect to the ECU and rewrite the data. And now you see it says done. So now we're going to go out and give this a try in the car. Okay, we're back at the car. We've put our new used ECU in, and we've got our battery maintainer hooked up. We're going to get in and give it a try. Okay, now the customer has 2007 Passat, and this is the slot key. And the big test is going to be, see where it says trip miles? When we put the key in, see how it says safe? Well, there's something going on here, because when we change it out, it shouldn't be saying that.